Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord stream loses color. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first step that you need to do is head over to your menu bar and then simply tap on the power button and then tap on restart and then simply try again. Now, the second step is to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes the weaker Wi-Fi connection might also be causing the issue, and the Discord stream needs a strong Wi-Fi connection to maintain its color. If you have a weaker Wi-Fi connection, that might be causing the issue that you are facing. And the next step is to change your saturation settings. You can also try to change your video saturation settings to improve the issue. The step-by-step process is open your Discord app to start. Click on the settings icon next to your profile in the bottom left corner, and once you do that, there you can tweak the settings as per your like, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.